Good morning class. This is part 3 video from exercise 20.3, that is data handling, and today we learn about the probability. What is probability? Actually this chapter is come in your class 10 examination. So this is the little explanation of probability. Probability means chances. What is the chances to come out? Okay, just chances. Okay, so the probability formula is number of favorable outcome by total number of possible outcome. Okay, today this is your chapter is data handling, but the topic is probability. Probability means what the chances. First of all, for example, suppose we toss a coin. Okay, what is the chances to come a head or a tail, whatever. So number of favorable outcome, that chances, and total number of possible outcome, that is head or tail, both is possible to come. If you ask for the heads, the head by head and tail, that is 1 by 1 and 2. For example, we toss a coin. Okay, what is the probability of head? So the number of favorable outcome is head, and the total number of possible outcome is, that is head also come or tail also come. So this is 1 and this is 2. So the answer is 1 by 2. Okay, so this kind of sum is this, and this the total number of possible outcome is also called sample space. That means all numbers are included. Okay, that means all possible outcomes, it is called sample space. Okay, so the first question from your exercise, you see, write the sample space. Number 1 question, write the sample space for each of the following. For each of the following. Number A, tossing 2 coins. So write the sample space. We know that sample space means total number of possible outcome. When you toss 2 coins, what are the chances that to comes? So when you toss 2 coins, sample space means writing all the possible outcomes. Okay, so that is head also come, chance to come head, because 2 coins are there, tail, head and tail head. So the 4 sample space comes 1 2 3 4, and what are head, tail, head, tail and tail head. Okay, now question number B, taking out a ball from a bag containing 4 red and 5 green ball. Okay, taking out a ball from a bag, which bag contain 4 red ball and 5 green ball. So what are the sample space? That means what are the possibilities to come outcome, that is red, because 4 reds are there. When you put your hand in your bag, that red balls come because 4 reds and come, and then green. Okay, because you see 4 red balls and 5 green balls. Taking out a ball from a bag, when you put your hand in your bag, when you come out the ball, that is red possibilities. Red because 4 reds, so 4 times the reds are possible, and 5 green balls, so 5 times the reds are possible, so 5 greens are possible. So total number of possible outcome is 9. Okay, question number C, tossing a coin 4 times. A coin you toss 4 times. What is the probability come? A coin, its head, tail, head. Okay, head comes, head chances, because you tossing a coin and 4 times. What are the chances? Head also comes, tail also comes. So these are the chances. Okay, note. Write all the possible terms for the 4 coins. Okay, rolling 2 dice. Question number E. When you rolling 2 dice, dice means Ludo dice. Okay, Ludo dice. What are the sample spaces come for rolling a 2 dice? Sample space, that is one fixed, that 2 dice. Suppose 1 come in a dice, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6, 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6 come, because you rolling a 2 dice. Suppose one dice come 1 and another dice also come 1. Suppose 1 in 1, another is 2. So in this manner. Okay, 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6, 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6, 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6, 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5 and 6 6. So total number of probability is, that means total number of sample space is 36. Okay, when you rolling 2 dice, 36 kinds of numbers are come. Okay, question number 2. Sorry, 3. Find the probability of drawing a king from a pack of card. What is the probability? Suppose you have a pack of card and you draw a card, and what is the chances that card is a or king? So first of all, the formula of probability, we know that number of favorable outcome by total number of possible outcome. So the first of all, we know that the pack of card, how many cards are there in pack of card? It's 52. Okay, and the number of favorable outcome, that means question is asking about a king. We know that in a card there are 4 kings, one for heart, club, spade, okay, and diamond. 4 kings are there in a card. Okay, that is this kind of K, this kind of K, K. So 4 cards are there for K. So the number of favorable outcome, that means 4, and the possible outcome, because possible outcome means total card. Total cards is 52. So that is when you cut it down, 1 upon 13. Okay. Note. Number 4. Find the probability of obtaining 2 by rolling a die. When you roll a die, what is the probability for obtaining 2? Okay, so first of all, you know that the formula probability equals to number of favorable outcome by total number of possible outcome. So first of all, total number of possible outcome is what? 1 2 3 4 5 6, because when you roll a dice, 6 number are come, so total probability is 6. Okay, but question asking about 2, so 2 is only 1, so here you write only 1, because number of favorable outcome, how many times 2 are come, only 1 times 2 come, so the answer is 1 upon 6. Okay, note. Okay, question number 5, find the probability of obtaining a prime number from number 1 to 50. What is the probability of prime number from 1 to 50? First of all, you write down the probability formula, that's number of favorable outcome by total number of possible outcome. So number of favorable, first of all, total number of possible outcome, number is 1 to 50, so 50 numbers are there. Okay, and number of favorable outcome, that is prime number, how many prime numbers are there from 1 to 50. Okay, and total number possible outcome means sample space, that is total number is 50. So first of all, calculate number of favorable outcome, how many numbers are there from 1 to 50 as a prime number. So we know that prime number is 2, 3, we know that na, what is prime number, that number divisible by itself and 1. So 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 numbers are there from 1 to 50 that are prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43 and 47. Okay, so your answer is 3 upon 10. Okay, note. Okay, question number 7, find the probability of obtaining 2 heads in tossing a coin twice. Okay, so formula, first of all write down number of favorable outcome by total number of possible outcome. So possible number of outcome, so first of all number of favorable outcome and total number of possible outcome. Total number of possible outcome equals to find 2 coins tossing. Okay, that is head head, tail tail, head tail and tail head. So 4 chances, therefore total possible outcome is 4. Question about 2 heads, so 2 heads is only 1 time, so number of favorable outcome is only 1, so the answer is 1 upon 4. Okay, note.